Thought he was a water bug.
He was down in Florida. I like how she doesn't care that she's splashing her face. Normally she does.
Where's the fishies?
Here, Connor.
Oopsies. Fishies.
You gotta walk over there. 3 steps.
Big boy. Wow, dude, Daddy did?
I think that is what he's trying to do.
Here's crab.
Oma will love this.
Connor, big boy. Big boy. How is that water?
It's fine.
Yeah. I would say that's warmer than the pool in Florida when we try to get into it.
Get right in.
We're not shivering.
No.
Get right in.
They were in Florida.
Where's the airplanes? Where's the airplanes? Ready? Watch. Connor.
Connor, where are you going?
Where you going, Connor, kid?
Plumper.
Yeah.
Emma, are you having fun?
Where you going? BJ. Where you going?
You're having a blast, aren't you? Connor, look at how much fun your sister's having. Where are you going?
I gotta get you. Splash.
Come on.
Keep it up or I'm gonna poop in the pool.
You hear an airplane?
Oh, yeah. Airplane? You hear airplane? Where's the airplane? It's over there. Did you
You having fun?
Whoops.
Look at how puffy your diaper is, Em. Look at how huge that diaper is.
That's a cool suit you got on there, Em.
Emma.
There's a lot of diaper in there. Might be weighing you down.
Fishies. Fishies. Where's the fishies, Connor? Fishies. Yeah, look at oh, wow.
Emma, it looks like you deposited some...
She's starting to shiver. Fishies. Fishies.
Are you cold, Emma? Or you... You're poop. She's pooping. Look at her.
Careful she doesn't fall over.
Are you pooping?
I would get her a towel because I think she is getting cold too, but...
Motorcycle.
Well, I guess we're not going back in that water, are we? Yeah, you pooped, didn't you?